Hello and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if it's your first time here. Most people don't realize this, but when you speak, you usually have about 30 seconds before people mentally check out. Not because you're boring, because how the information is delivered. Here's a mistake almost everyone makes. They start with background, context, explanations, and the listener is still wondering, why should I care? The brain wants orientation first, not detail. If you don't answer why this matters early, attention drops fast. Here's the fix, and it's simple. Start with the destination, not the journey. Instead of saying, let me explain something interesting, say, here's why this will change how you communicate. Now the brain locks in and people lean in and they listen. Then, and this is the key, break your message into moving parts. First, you want to talk about one idea. Then, you want to move a little bit. Give the background a change. Then you talk about the next idea. Movement keeps attention because the visual scene keeps changing, just like the message should. Great communicators don't talk at people, they guide them forward. If you want people to listen longer, lead them somewhere worth going, quickly. If this helped you, follow for more real-world communication skills, the kind that actually work when you're not standing behind a podium. Thank you, and please give me some comments, some ideas on what to talk about. Hit the notifications, all notifications, and subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for being here.